everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make this super easy peach cobbler with just 3 ingredients. This delicious dessert can be ready in under an hour and is perfect with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before we get going and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new recipes. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 box of cake mix, 1 cup of butter, and 2 cans of peach pie filling. Spray our pan with cooking spray so that it doesn't stick. Next, get the pie filling and add that to the dish. This is a 2.5 quart baking dish. I'm going to use 2 cans of the peach pie filling. Spread that around evenly. We'll set it aside while we make the topping. For the topping, we're going to start by adding the cake mix to a mixing bowl. I am using a butter recipe yellow cake, but you could also use just a regular yellow cake. You could use a white cake or even a vanilla cake mix. Put that right in the mixing bowl. I've already melted the butter, so we're going to add that to the cake mix. Okay, now we're going to stir the cake mix and butter together until it's all moistened. When that is all mixed up, we're going to bring back the peaches. We're going to pour the batter over the top of the peaches. We're going to try and cover any missed spots. Now we are going to put the peach cobbler in the oven at 350 degrees for, we're gonna do 40 minutes and check it, but it's 40 to 50 minutes. When the edges are brown and it's baked long enough, then I've already let this sit for about 10 minutes to cool down just a little bit so it's not molten hot. But then you can get out a serving bowl and start dishing it up. Okay, and just like that, we're gonna dish some of this peach cobbler goodness into a bowl. And it wouldn't be complete without topping it with some ice cream. Give it a taste. It's really good. You can taste the peaches with the cool ice cream. It's very, very good. Get the full recipe in the description. Visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com for more recipes and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.